Hi guys, it's me, Sarah. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sundial. So in your kit you'll have a paper plate, a skewer, a straw, and a Sharpie. And you'll also need a ruler and a pencil. So the first thing you're going to do is find the center point of your paper plate. And so you're going to take your ruler and measure the length across, which is about 7 inches. So your midpoint is going to be at 3.5. So you make a little spot there, and then turn your ruler the other way, and make a spot where those two lines meet up is your center point. So then you're going to get your skewer and you're going to poke a hole through your plate. I already did mine, but it's pretty simple. The skewer is sharp enough to poke through the paper plate. And then if you need your hole to be a little bit bigger, you can use your pencil to kind of wiggle it around and make the hole a little bit bigger. Because you want your hole to be able to fit the straw into it. Okay, so make sure it's big enough, wide enough for the straw. And then turn your plate over and we'll get the straw in there. Let's see. Use the pencil again. Straw is in. And you want to make sure that it's straight up and down. And if this little scrunchy part is not staying straight, you can just snip it off with some scissors. If for some reason the hole somehow got too big or anything, it might be good to have some tape on hand to kind of tape it in place if it's wiggling around or if it's looking slanted. The next thing we're going to do is take it outside and draw a line on it. So I brought my sundial outside, and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and I brought my ruler, my pencil, and my Sharpie, and I'm weighing my sundial down with some rocks. For now, I'm going to take the rocks off. At exactly 11, I'm going to draw a line, and you can do this at noon also. And I'm going to draw a line where the straw is casting the shadow. Straight out from there. And I'll go over it with my Sharpie. And that is my 11 o'clock line. So I'll write the number 11 at the top. And I'm going to put the rocks back on, and in 1 hour I'll come back out and draw a line where the shadow has moved to, and that will be 12 o'clock, noon, lunchtime. And then after that, I'll make a guess. Judging by the distance between my two lines for 11 and 12, I'm going to make a guess about where my line will be for 1 o'clock, and then I'll come back out at 1 o'clock and check and see how close I was. And then you're going to want to repeat that for all of the daylight hours, and then over the course of 2 days, because you'll want to get some morning hours on there also. And then you'll be able to come outside and look at your sundial and tell by the position of the sun about what time it is.